Welcome to my class of cyber security. Today we will learn about intrusion detection system. An intrusion detection system is a device or software application that monitors a network or system for malicious activity or policy violations. Intrusion, attempting to break into or misuse the system. Intruders may be from outside the network or legitimate users of the network. Intrusion can be a physical, system, or remote intrusion. Any intrusion activity or violation is typically reported either to an administrator or collected centrally using a security information and event management system. A SIEM system combines output from multiple sources and uses alarm filtering techniques to distinguish malicious activity from false alarms. What are the different ways to intrude? IDS types range in scope from single computer to large computer. The most common classification are network detection intrusion systems and host based intrusion detection systems. A system that monitors important operating system file is an example of an HIDS. What are the different ways to introduce? Buffer overflow, unexpected combination, unhandled input, race conditions. This is the diagram of intrusion detection system. Event provider, then analysis engine is there, and then from analysis engine there is a response model, and response model alerts the database, and there is a knowledge base attached with event provider, and the knowledge base is created with the help of analysis engine, and there are other machines which are attached to response model. Different ways of classifying an IDs based on anomaly detection, signature based misuse, host based, network based, stack based. Intrusion detection system looks for attack signature, which are specific pattern that usually indicate malicious or suspicious intent. Anomaly based IDS. The IDS models the normal usage of the network as a noise. Characterization. Anomaly based intrusion systems were primarily introduced to detect unknown attacks, in part due to rapid development of malware. The basic approach is to use machine learning to create a model of trustworthy activity and then compare new behavior against this model. Since these models can be trained according to the applications and hardware configuration, machine learning based method has a better generalized property in comparison to traditional signature based IDS. Although this approach enables the detection of previously unknown attack, it may suffer from false positives. Previously unknown legitimate activity may also be classified as malicious. Most of the existing IDS suffer from the time consuming during detection process that degrade the performance of IDS. What are the drawbacks of anomaly detection IDS? Assumes that intrusion will be accompanied by manifestations that are sufficiently unusual so as to permit detection. These generate many false alarms and hence compromise the effectiveness of IDS. Signature based IDS. Signature based IDS refers to the detection of attacks by looking for specific pattern such as byte sequence in network traffic or known malicious intrusion sequence used by malware. This terminology originates from antivirus software, which refers to these detected pattern as signature. Although signature based IDS can easily detect known attack, it is difficult to detect new attack for which no pattern is available. In signature based IDS, the signature are released by a vendor for its product. On time updating of IDS with the signature is a key aspect. The IDS process an attack description that can be matched to sensed attack manifestation. The question of what information is relevant to an IDS depends upon what it is trying to detect. Example, DNS, FTP, etc. ID system is programmed to interpret a certain series of packets or a certain piece of data contained in those packets as an attack. For example, an IDS that watches web server might be programmed to look for the string PH as an indicator of a CGI program attack. Most signature analysis systems are based off simple pattern matching algorithm. In most cases, the IDs simply look for a substring within a stream of data carried by network packets. When it finds this substring, for example, the PH in get command, it identifies these network packets as vehicles of an attack. Drawback of signature based IDs: they are unable to detect novel attack, suffer from false alarm, have to programmed again for every new pattern to be decided. Host application based IDs. The host operating system or the application logs in the audit information. These audit informations include events like the use of identification and authentication mechanisms, logins, etc., file opens and program execution, admin activities, etc. This audit is then analyzed to detect trials of intrusion. Drawbacks of the host based IDs. This kind of information needed to be logged in is a matter of experience. Unselective logging of message may greatly increase the audit and analysis burden. Selective logging runs the risk that attack manifestation could be missed. Strength of the host based IDs: attack verification, system specific activity, encrypted and switch environment, monitoring key component, near real-time detection and response, no additional hardware. Network-based IDs. These IDs look for attack signature in network traffic via a promiscuous interface. A filter is usually applied to determine which traffic will be discarded or passed on to an attack recognition module. This helps to filter out known unmalicious traffic. Strengths of network ID. Cost of ownership reduced, packet analysis is done, evidence removal, real-time detection and response, malicious intent detection, complement and verification, operating system independence. Thank you for watching.